Chance insulated jumper clamps can be used for a variety of applications during energized line maintenance. Specific examples include replacement of a permanent jumper, providing temporary service during reconductoring of a line, or jumpering around a dead-end structure, as shown in the following demonstration. Always make sure to follow your company's work practices and procedures. Properly rated rubber insulating gloves must always be worn when installing and using rubber glove jumper clamps. Before use, the jumper set should be inspected to ensure there are no loose connections at the clamp ferrule connection and there is no damaged cable strands or insulation. Disassemble the clamp and remove the head from the durable polycarbonate body and set it aside. Next, slide the jumper cable with installed ferrule through the body of the clamp. Then, thread the ferrule into the head of the jumper clamp. Use a 7/8" wrench to tighten the lock washer and nut on the ferrule, not exceeding the recommended torque of 250 inch-pounds. It is important to ensure the lock washer remains flat while tightening the nut. Next, tighten down the 1/8" Allen set screw into the ferrule. Finally, reinstall the head of the jumper clamp into the body. The clear plastic jumper handles provide an unobstructed view of the cable, ferrule, and clamp connections, allowing for easy visual inspection. Always verify proper assembly so the clamp handle can fully tighten down onto energized conductors. These improved Clear Chance rubber glove jumper clamps are compatible with a larger conductor range and can be used on 15 and 25 kV systems with up to a 795 ACSR conductor and 35 kV systems with up to a 954 ACSR conductor. The jumper clamps are designed and tested per ASTM F2321. Chance jumper clamps are designed to be used by trained professional linemen. To learn more about Chance tools, lineman training opportunities, and more, visit www.hubbell.com.